Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Talib Munshi, teaching you chapter number 6, e-commerce and e-governance. Today we will learn what is electronic commerce. Second question, explain advantages and disadvantages of electronic commerce. First, what is e-commerce? It is the transaction of buying or selling online. It draws on technologies such as mobile commerce, electronic fund transfer, supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction processing, electronic data interchange, inventory management system. Inventory management system is go down system, transport system, and automated data collection systems. Modern electronic commerce typically uses the World Wide Web for at least one part of the transaction's life cycle, although it may also use other technologies such as email. Or, in short, any commercial activity performed electronically or online with some technology is a gift of electronic commerce. Any online technology perform any commercial activity any business activity, commercial activity which is performed electronically or online with some technology is a gift of electronic commerce. The many example: the World Trade or WTO distinguishes six main instruments of electronic commerce. This is six main instrument of electronic commerce. This is technology instrument: telephone, fax, television, electronic payment and money transfer systems, electronic data interchange, and internet. These are the technologies. With the help of this any technology, if anyone doing his business activity, it is under electronic commerce. Some features: no non-cash payment. Electronic commerce enables use of credit card, debit card, smart cards, electronic fund transfer via bank's website and other modes of electronic payment. 24 by 7 service availability. Electronic commerce automates business of enterprises and services provided by them to customers are available anytime anywhere. Here 24 by 7 refers to 24 hours of each 7 days of a week. Then advertising marketing. Electronic commerce increases the reach of advertising of products and services of businesses. It helps in better marketing management of products and services. Improved sales. Using electronic commerce, orders for the product can be generated anytime, anywhere without any human intervention. By this way, dependencies to buy a product reduces at large and sales increases. Support. Electronic commerce provide various ways to provide pre-sale and post-sale assistance to provide better service to customer. Inventory management. Using electronic commerce, inventory management of product become automated. Go down management. It become automated. Reports get generated instantly when required. Product inventory management becomes very efficient and easy to maintain. You can take example of our Bhiwandi area. It has very biggest inventory management in near Purna, Kalher. All there are many godowns. So these systems are automated. Reports get generated instantly. Now see electronics versus traditional commerce. This is electronic commerce and this is traditional commerce. Traditional commerce, face to face. Then in electronic commerce, no personal contact. Traditional commerce, printed and written documents on web, or only soft copy are there. Customization is rare. Web pages personalized for particular customer. Telephone or postal mail communication. Here communication, email, mostly email communication. Payment by cash, check or CC. Payment, credit card, direct withdrawal, fund transfer like PayPal. Advertisement, print media, radio, TV. Advertisement on web, radio, TV. Merchandise, deliver immediately and customer takes merchandise. Merchandise deliver home in 2 to 5 days. And now advantages of electronic commerce. Advantages of electronic commerce. Electronic commerce advantages can be broadly classified in 3 major categories. First, its advantages to organization, means companies. Advantages to consumers, customer like. Then advantages to society. First we will see advantages to organization. Using e-commerce, organization can expand their market to national and international markets with minimum capital investment. An organization can easily locate more customer, best suppliers and suitable business partners across the globe. Electronic commerce helps organization to cut the cost to create, process, distribute, then retrieve and manage the paper-based information by digitizing the information. Then electronic commerce improves the brand image of the company. If you have your web page, if your company, if your shop has a website, it will increase image of the company, brand, and improves the brand image of the company. Then electronic commerce help organization to provide better customer services. Electronic commerce help organization to provide better customer services. Electronic commerce helps to simplify the business processes and make them faster and efficient. Electronic commerce reduces paperwork a lot. Electronic commerce increases the productivity of the organization. It supports pull type supply management. In the pull type supply management, a business process starts when a request comes from a customer and it uses just-in-time manufacturing way. 24/7 support. Customer can do transaction for the product or inquiry about any product services provided by a company anytime, anywhere, from any location. By using website, all time it is available. People are using day and night. That 24/7 refers to 24 hours of each 7 days of a week. E-commerce application provides user more option and quicker delivery of products. Electronic commerce application provide user more option to compare and select the cheaper and better. A customer can put review comments about a product and can see what others are buying or see the review comments of other customer before making a final buy. Electronic commerce provide option of virtual auction. Readily available information. A customer can see the relevant detailed information. Detailed information within seconds rather than waiting for days or weeks. Electronic commerce increases competition among the organization, and as a result, organization provide substantial discount to customer. Means it is benefit to customer only. Because of competition of these companies, organization, they reduce the price. Because if they are not reducing price, then customer will not approach these companies. Advantages to society. Customer need not travel to shop a product, thus less traffic on road and low air pollution. This is main benefit of electronic commerce. It helps reducing cost of products so less affluent people can also afford the products. E-commerce has enabled access to services and product to rural areas, village areas as well, which are otherwise not available to them. Electronic commerce helps government to deliver public services like healthcare, education, social services at a reduced cost and in improved way. It has some disadvantages. Electronic commerce disadvantages can be broadly classified in two major categories: technical disadvantage, non-technical disadvantage. Now see, technical disadvantage, there can be lack of system security, reliability or standards owing to poor implementation of e-commerce. Software development industry is still evolving and keeps changing rapidly. In many countries, network bandwidth might cause an issue as there is insufficient telecommunication bandwidth available. Special type of web server or other software might be required by the vendor setting the e-commerce environment apart from network services. It becomes difficult to integrate e-commerce software or website with the existing application or database. There could be software hardware compatibility issues as some e-commerce software may be incompatible with some operating system or any other components. Okay student, now we will see some technical non-technical disadvantages. Some non-technical disadvantages. First, initial cost. The cost of building e-commerce application in house may be very high. There could be delay in launching the e-commerce application due to mistake, lack of experience. Sometimes the delivery person, because of his mistakes and lack of experience, there can be any problem in delivery. Use resistance. User may not trust the site being unknown faceless seller. Such mistrust makes it difficult to make user switch from physical store to online virtual store. Sometimes because of mistrust in very important secured product, the customer go for here physical store and not to virtual store, means e-commerce. Security, privacy, difficult to ensure security or privacy on online transaction. Then lack of touch or feel of product during online shopping. E-commerce application are still evolving and changing rapidly. You cannot touch product because it is online on Amazon and Flipkart. You can not touch that product, you can not feel that product. Feel means if you want to uh, uh, have some fragrance or scent, you cannot smell that product, just you can see, and this is the main disadvantage, non-technical disadvantage. Then internet access is still not cheaper, it is not cheaper and is inconvenient to use for many potential customers, like one living in remote villages. If a person living in remote villages cannot, it is very difficult to him yet to access internet. Okay, in this way student, today we have learned first e-commerce, what is e-commerce and what are the advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce in very detail. Thank you.